Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I am in my echoey bathroom because I am fed up with my hair. I have to chop it off. I can't do it anymore. I wear it in this weird low little bun every day. I think I style my hair maybe once a month and I'm tired of it. My ends are just so thin and dead and it doesn't look good. I lose hair left and right. Ever since I had Stella 2 years ago, my hair has just not recovered from it. I'm gonna chop it all off today and then I'm gonna take really good care of it and see what happens. Maybe I can get it to grow back thicker. I'm ready to get rid of this. I'm a little nervous. I haven't had short hair in a while, but I'm ready to go. Okay, I have like an hour and 20 minutes until I need to pick Lucy up from school. Now I'm going to try to get my hair cut and colored in that time, and I will come back later and style it and do whatever I feel like doing. I'm just starting out by brushing my hair really, really well. With my Olaf hairbrush from Lucy. I'm just gonna do this the lazy girl way with hair ties, and I want it pretty short. I'm going short here. I'm just doing a blunt straight across haircut today. I might need Shane to fix it for me a little bit when he gets home tonight, but I'm hoping I can get it pretty straight on my own. I need to put this hair tie in a different spot and it will not come out of my hair. Ow! I'm a little nervous for some reason, but we're just gonna go for it. Who needs it? Oh God. Okay. There we go. Here is the first half of my hair. Now we're doing this side. Of my hair, I can't get over how thin it is, honestly. It's so thin, but hair is gone. Hair ties can come out. And I already see some that I need to cut. Okay, first cut is done and I'm really excited about it, actually. I feel good. I don't know if you guys can see, but this back piece is like significantly longer than these front pieces. So I'm just gonna trim it off. I'm really excited. This already looks super cute after the one cut. I can put it in a ponytail. Okay, I can. I don't know if you can see this, but pretty much all of this is still gonna need trimmed off. But I think I'm just gonna get this colored really quick so I'll be able to pick Lucy up from school on time, and then I will trim it up as much as I can when it's wet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I changed into one of Shane's old dark t-shirts and now I'm gonna color my hair. This is pretty much my natural hair color and it's fine. It's just brown, but I think I wanna go a little darker. But now I'm gonna take a little petroleum jelly and put it around my forehead because I'm the messiest person when it comes to hair color, and it takes me like 5 days to get it off my face if I don't do this. So if you didn't know, when you color your hair at home, just put some Vaseline on your forehead and it is much, much easier to get off. Try to keep it out of your baby hairs because you're gonna wanna color your baby hairs. You can see I'm more of a do as I say, not as I do, because my baby hairs are covered in Vaseline. I'm just gonna throw my color on with a bottle. Always loved Redken shades for my hair. It's semi-permanent. And then I happened upon Wella Color Charm, and you can actually get these at Sally's. I think it lasts a lot longer than my Redken shades, and it's still semi-permanent. So if you don't want like a line of where your hair is growing out, I highly recommend semi-permanent hair color. One thing that's really different with this from the shades that I used is 1 part color to 2 part developer, and shades is always 1 to 1, and pretty much all the other colors that I used are all 1 to 1, but for some reason Wella is 1 to 2. Okay, that's good enough. I look like such a grease ball right now. Oh my gosh. Start on my part and do my hairline and then squish it through. I'm gonna turn on some music and speed this up, and I'll catch up with you in a few.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries traveling with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out.
Well, we need to take a quick pause because I made a terrible mistake and wore my white shoes while I was coloring my hair. I'm gonna try to scrub this off with some dish soap, but that's probably gonna be on my shoe for the rest of its days.
Things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now. Ooh, when you're gone.
Just gonna twist this up in a clip, and I need to leave to pick Lucy up in like an hour. So I'm just gonna leave this on for like 40 minutes so I can have time to shower before I have to leave. Petroleum jelly around my forehead is a game changer. It makes it so much easier to get it off. Holy cow. Hair is soaking wet and I see some pieces that need trimmed. Like, look how long this piece is. But I need to leave, so I will trim it more when I get home. I'm going to school pickup with soaking wet hair, but luckily it's pouring outside, so I don't think anybody will notice. Somebody is ecstatic about getting woken up to go get her sister. I'm sorry. Your hair though. We're back and it is pouring outside. I was basically the only parent without an umbrella, so I'm going to Amazon Prime one of those for my car because I definitely could have used it. But now I'm just going to trim up my hair.
Can I see your hair?
What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Is this all the stuff that you use to cut your hair?
It is. My plan is to have my sister give me a few layers in my hair like next week and trim it and make sure it's totally even. But for now it looks good and I don't really want to trim it any shorter just because I know she is going to take off a little more. So I think I'm gonna blow dry it, and I never blow dry my hair. But I want to see what it's gonna look like, and I've still not fixed Stella's hair. So okay, skip ahead a couple hours. I ended up throwing a little makeup on my face. We have a sleepy visitor. Hi. But now I want to style it to see if there's any other pieces that I think I need to trim once I see it styled. But I definitely have some like Mary Tyler Moore hair flip happening right now, but kind of digging it.
But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now. Ooh, when you're gone.
Okay, my hair is done. I love it so much. I'm definitely gonna have to, Lucy just came running at me with this. I should probably get rid of that. I love my hair. I'm definitely gonna need to practice styling my kids, styling short hair again, because obviously I haven't had to do it in a long time. Lucy and Stella are currently wrestling right here. So thank you guys for following along on my random decision to cut and color my hair during nap time. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
We got time on